Kim Asbury here, and I just want to give you a quick look at some things that I'm working on, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial very soon. This is a holiday garland, and all of the ribbon actually came from Sam's Club. If you've not looked at Sam's Club ribbon, oh my goodness, it's very high quality ribbon. You get 50 yards for $6.98. Now, they only do this at Christmas, so take advantage and go over there and pick up all the ribbon that you can use, because you won't be disappointed. Now, like I said, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this holiday garland with the bows and the ruffles and the ribbon. I also did, and it's way up there, a wreath to match it, and it looks so good. The tutorial that I'm going to be doing, it for my daughter, her mantle, and she picked out some blue colors. I don't know if you can see those, they're in the windowsill, but oh my gosh, they're so pretty. She's decorating in these kinds of colors. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and as soon as I do that tutorial, you will be notified. Thank you.